How to get USAA auto insurance quote, step-by-step guide or instruction. Obtaining an auto insurance quote is an essential step for any vehicle owner. USAA United States Services Automobile Association is a reputable provider of insurance services, particularly known for its offerings to military personnel and their families. If you are considering getting a USAA auto insurance quote, this video will guide you through step by step. Gather your information before you begin the quote process. It's essential to have all the necessary information on hand. This includes personal details, vehicle information, and driving history. Here's what you'll need: personal information, name, address, date of birth, contact information, phone number, email, vehicle information, year, make, model of the vehicle, vehicle identification number, mileage, driving history, driver's license number, details of any accidents or violation in the past few years. Step 2. Visit the USAA website. To begin the process of getting a USAA auto insurance quote, visit the official website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 3. Navigate to the auto insurance section. Once on the USAA website, navigate to the auto insurance section. This can be found under the insurance or auto insurance tab on the main menu. Step 4. Start the quote process. Click on the get a quote or start a quote button to initiate the quote process. Step 5. Provide personal and vehicle information. You will be redirected to a page where you'll need to put the vehicle personal information, vehicle details, and driving history that you have gathered. Make sure to enter accurate information to receive an accurate quote. Step 6. Customize coverage. USAA offers various coverage options including liability, collision, comprehensive, and more. Customize your coverage options based on your preferences and needs. Step 7. Select deductibles and limits. You'll also have the opportunity to choose deductibles and coverage limits. Keep in mind that higher deductibles can lead to lower premium costs, but you'll pay more out in the pocket in case of a claim. Step 8. Get your quote. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, you will be provided with a quote based on the information you provided. This quote will give you an estimate of the premium you can expect to pay for the coverage you have selected. Step 9. Receive and adjust. Take the time to review the quote carefully. If you are satisfied with the coverage and premium, you can proceed to the next steps to finalize your policy. If you are unsure of what to make changes, you can contact USAA's customer service for assistance. Step 10. Finalize the policy. If you are ready to proceed, you can finalize the policy by following the instructions provided on the website. This may involve providing additional information, making a payment, and signing necessary documents. Conclusion: getting a USAA insurance quote is a straightforward process that involves providing accurate information, customizing coverage options, and reviewing the quote. By following these steps outlined in the guide, you can obtain a quote that suits your needs and budget. Remember that USAA's website is user friendly, and if you have any questions or need assistance, the customer service is available to help.